Integrated test solution for battery pack air tightness and electrical performance product operation demonstration. This is a connector we designed for front and rear electric sockets. E10JP flanged electrode test connector. Connection: press the handle. Align the front and rear drive power sockets that need to be tested and insert them. Release the handle. Complete electrical connection in 1 second. Disconnect: press the handle to pull out the connector and disconnect it. This is our design for sealing cooling water pipes. G90S small body quick connector. Connection: press the handle. Align the cooling water pipe opening that needs to be sealed. Release the handle. Rotating locking ring. Ensure the security of testing. Instantaneous sealing. Reliable connection completed in 1 second. Disconnect. Pull the rotating ring back into the groove. Press the handle to pull out the connector and disconnect it. This is a product we designed specifically for PTC electrical sockets. E10J clamp type electrical test connector. Connection: press the buckle. Align with the PTC electrical socket that needs to be tested. Release the buckle. Complete electrical connection in 1 second. Disconnect: press the buckle and pull out the connector to disconnect the connection. This is a product we designed specifically for fast charging interfaces. E10JP chip electrode electrical test connector. Connection: press the buckles on both ends. Aim at the fast charging interface that needs to be tested. Release the buckle. Complete electrical connection in 1 second. Disconnect: press the buckle and pull out the connector to disconnect the connection. This is a sealing design for explosion-proof valves that we have developed. G20F explosion-proof valve special quick connector. Connection: insert the front end of the connector into the explosion-proof valve that needs to be sealed. Folding handle. Instantaneous sealing. Reliable connection completed in 1 second. Disconnect: pull the handle straight back to its original position to disconnect the connection. GripSeal E-Series electrical connectors and G-Series airtight connectors adapt to the integrated testing scenario of airtightness and electrical performance of power battery packs. Can achieve fast and accurate connection. Low-loss stable transmission, built on a high insertion lifespan core design, enhancing both testing efficiency and accuracy for battery packs.